Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to explain the difference between importing and exporting. The difference is pretty huge, and I've heard a lot of people that don't really know the differences. Kind of like downloading and uploading. I'll make a video about that later. Alright, the difference between importing a file and exporting a file. You import a file that you already have. Say it's a picture into Lightroom, you import that, or a video into Premiere Pro, you import that, and then you work on it. You add transitions, you fade out audio, you increase the, I don't know, exposure, you decrease the exposure, yeah, you make your changes. Maybe make it black and white. You make your changes, you're done. You now export the file. Right? You don't export something that you already have. You import a file that you already have. When you export something, you're exporting it from a program. You made a bunch of different changes to it. You're done. Now it's going to do the final changes, and it's going to export your file. Alright, if you learn the difference between importing and exporting, like it. If I didn't explain it well enough, dislike it. Comment and tell me what I can do better. Thank you.